the signal. So the transmitter basically is going to emit a pulse of radio waves which you'll be picking up, and the range of the transmitter is going to depend a bit on its size as well. So, for example, if you want to have a range of several kilometres, you're going to have a very large battery pack. So we're talking about a transmitter that's going to be something about this kind of size. But clearly that's not going to work for something like a newt, where you've got a much smaller one. So you need to basically think about the transmitter in terms of its size and appropriateness for the animal species you're working with, and also for the range that you want. So the smaller the transmitter, the closer you have to be to operate them. So we're using one that was kind of the actual battery size is about that sort of size, and it's got a little antenna on. So we'll hopefully find that when we go out there. So this is the receiver, is this bit here, and basically this is an aerial, a bit like your television aerial. What this is going to do is to basically pick up the signal, and then it sends the signal to this box here, which is the amplifier. So basically, the way kind of an aerial works is that the radio waves are like waves that oscillate like that. So the waves will be picked up by these vanes on the aerial, and that will transmit the signal down to the amplifier. So the way it works is that basically what you're aiming to do is to hold the... Sorry, I'm trying to...
Feel a bit threatened here.
Poke your eyes out. Okay. So basically what you're going to do is turn the aerial around, and what will happen is that you'll hear a sound on here, and it's loudest when it's in the direction of the thing. So for example, if the transmitter was outside the door, if it's at right angles like this, you have a very low sound, and as you turn it towards the direction of the transmitter, it will get louder. So what you're aiming to do is to draw a position line using the aerial. But what you've got to remember as well is that it also picks up from behind. Okay, so all that's going to do is give you a line somewhere behind you or in front of you, which is where your transmitter is. So then you need to move to another position and get a second line, and it's where the lines intersect. It will be the position of your animal. But we'll have a go at doing that in a minute. So this bit here, this is the amplifier bit, and there's three buttons on it. There's a gain button, so this is if you like, the volume control. So you turn it up until you can hear it sort of hissing like that. At the moment we're not picking up a signal. I don't know if we're... No, it's probably because it's through the wall there, but that out there will be the transmitter. So we should hear a sort of beeping sound. Second one's the tone, and that really just adjusts the sound frequency. And then at the bottom here we've got frequency, which is the actual frequency of radio waves that it's transmitting on. So each transmitter will have a different frequency, and what you do is you set this to the frequency you want to detect. So you might be wanting to detect several animals at the same time, so each transmitter will have a different frequency. You'll be able to identify the animal by the frequency. So this one here is set at 150.662 megahertz, so that's a very, very precise frequency, and if you adjust the frequency either way, you won't detect the transmitter. Okay? So should we go out and have a